Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to add this quick intro video to this update because now I'm able to edit the videos. Anyways, I only have a handful of videos left on the 74 Celica restoration. Just wanted to get this videos out along with the build thread on first gen Celica, just so I can fully document the restoration of that car. As some of you guys already know, the car is sold. I don't have it anymore, but again, I just wanted to finish the build thread on the forum. So like I said, I only have a few more videos left. I may combine one or two of them just to make it go faster, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video on the 74 Celica. Cheers. Okay, I know it's been a while, but tonight is April 18th, 2018. The Toyota Fest 2018 is going to be on June 2nd, so I'm kind of crunch time right now. Anyways, excuse the messy garage. There's like 2 project cars going on, so, but rest assured, everything's well sorted out. Anyways, here is the original 18R from the car. It's been painted the original teal, as close to the original teal color as I could get. The cylinder head was painted to match the valve cover. The air cleaner housing. So hopefully it'll be somewhat of a good match. Replaced the head gasket. Polished the valve cover or the chain cover, but I forgot to put the gasket, so it's going to be put back. This thing's going to be pulled back out. Put the gasket back on, put it back on, and then let's see about the car. Boom, 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 boom. The quarter windows are installed. I've already received the felt that goes on the inside of this. I'm waiting. The felt that goes on the doors are on order. I'm waiting to get the invoice from the guy. Let's see. There is the MR2 manual rack. I've already replaced the bushing on that end, and it's got the 83 Corolla inner and outer tie rods, both sides. I've sanded this and painted it. And this is a 83 Corolla U-joint. I've been told I can order the MR2. That should still be available from Toyota, but I have a few other Toyota MR2 U-joints in the backyard. These are the original MR2 inner and outer tie rods. The rear brakes, let's see, I have new rear cylinders in them. I've painted let me get the light. There's gonna be part 2. Alright, hold on. Okay, so part 2, April 18th, 2018. Here we go at the back side of the car, underside of the car. As you can see, I had the rear axle sandblasted, and they coated it in black primer epoxy. I went ahead and sanded the rear brake lines, the hard lines that go into the back. As you can see, I've also painted the backing, although it looks like they've already been scratched. Oh well, I'll have to try and cover those up. But so the backing plates have been painted, the rear hard line has been painted, and like I said, it's got brand new rear cylinders. The 4-link arms have also been sanded and painted. I know it's a little hard to see here, but they've been sanded and painted. Not a lot of rust on the car. As you can see, this is still all the original. It's a little dirty with cobwebs, but again, the car was pretty straight when I got it. It had dents from previous owners, but the original previous owner was pretty elderly driver, and from what I've gathered, and the second owner was a younger guy. He basically kept it stock. So, but anyways, yeah. So here's the rear end, 4 links painted, rear axle painted, brake hard line painted. The splitter at the top of the axle housing there has been sanded clean. So I'm trying to use as original hardware as I can. I will be getting lowering springs for the back, as well as shortened shocks. I've got the T3 front spindles, front coilover conversion waiting to be installed. Let's see. What else have I done? Oh, so tonight, April 18th, I'm going to try to install the rack and pinion. So I have to take the hood off, install my clutch hard line. There's a new clutch rubber line that goes down, and then install the rack and pinion. All right, been putting a couple hours after work trying to get this done. As like I said, April 18th shows June 2nd. All right, have a good night, folks. Okay, so it is still April 18th. This would be part 3. Right now, I am going to be working on putting the clutch hardline on there properly. I had to make a new one because the original one broke on one end as I was unbolting it from I was trying to clean it up. Anyway, so new clutch line. I also have a new hydraulic line that'll go there. That finishes at the slave cylinder for the W50. As you can see, it's gotten a lot dusty in here, but that's the there's the steering rack conversion kit that shout out to Carrie, 1JZ, who makes those brackets. So I'm going to try to install the clutch hardline to the ASIN. That is an original ASIN piece, and install the rack and pinion. All right. Good night.